Hi everyone, hope you're staying safe. Considering Easter and Passover is coming up, I wanted to make a side dish. It's one of my favorites I make at Soho House. It's butternut squash, and let's get to it. So first, I got my butternut squash. I'm gonna peel it. If you have it in whole without cutting anything and hold it solid, and just use your peeler and just go around, and it should be pretty easy. You want to get all the skin where you can't eat. It's not edible. If it helps you, you can bring it on your table and cut it so it won't slip out of your hand. And you just go all around, get all that skin off. I like to think of the farmers at this point that they were so generous and they planted this just for us. And they watched over it, they watered it, fertilized it, took care of it. And the delivery guys, you forget all these folks how many people it takes to grow just one vegetable. It's pretty amazing to me. And we're gonna cut the ends. Disregard that. Then I'm gonna cut it in half. Be really careful because it is a slippery item and you don't wanna cut yourself. So the only part you need to clean out is this. Get a spoon, put it right on the edge, and just go around it. Boom. One more. Just go around and twist it in your hand. And we got that too. There we go. Okay, now I'm gonna cut it. You cut it however you like at this point, but I'm gonna go with little rings. This part of it is like half moons. Try to cut them all same size so they all cook evenly. That's the concept of cutting everything the same. All right, now that we're all cut, we're gonna put them all in the bowl. I had already cut one earlier, so we have two in this. Okay, pomegranate molasses, it's optional if you don't have it. I just like the little tanginess, and I'm gonna drizzle about a table to 2 tablespoons. It's very sour, gives it a great flavor. I have brown sugar. I'm gonna add about a table to 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Extra virgin olive oil, grapeseed oil works too. We're gonna do some chili oil. Spicy, sour, sweet. We're there. And we have fat in there. I mean, we have all the elements. And a little bit of salt. A little bit of cracked pepper. Okay, if you don't have garam masala, you can use cumin. And I'm gonna do about a tablespoon to tablespoon and a half of the garam masala. And I'm gonna move these guys because I'm gonna bring one of my pans. So on a flat sheet pan, usually I have foil. I wrap it with foil. I don't have foil, I'm out of it. I got parchment paper. I'm gonna put it makes it easier for cleaning dishes. All right, I'm gonna get in there with my hands and toss it, man. Toss it, toss it. It looks beautiful. Getting that brown sugar, the spices, all the flavoring. I already have my oven preheated at 409, that's my number. 410, 415, 400 should work. Mine's a gas stove. Kind of makes a difference on some of these. All right, so I toss them well. And I don't want them crowding each other because I want them all cooked evenly. This looks like a 2-panner for me. There you go, replace them. And their own little spots. And the rest I'm gonna put on another pan. All right, let's see. we'll split them up with our pans nice and evenly so nobody's crowding each other. And I'll wash my hands a little bit. And then we're gonna pop them in the oven. They should cook about 25 minutes. Want to get a nice caramelization on them. Let's give them 25 minutes and then we'll check back and see if we need more time, we'll do more time. All right guys, it took actually 45 minutes because I'm used to a very strong industrial oven. So this is a house oven, it took about 45 minutes and you got a nice look caramelization on it. While they're a little warm, I cool them off a little bit. I'm gonna put some maple syrup, give them a little nice extra flavoring and sweetness. All right, so they're cooled off and you wanna kind of give them a toss, put them all together, combine them. And then we're just gonna plate them. And you can just rustic style, put them in the middle, fan it out. You know, do to your taste, guys. All right. You could roast them more, do another 10 minutes, get them super caramelized. Okay, now I have some pumpkin seed and almonds. I'm gonna just put some of those on it. They're roasted, give it a nice crunch. And I got some flat leaf parsley. If I had pomegranate seed, that would go well with it. Whatever you guys have in your pantry, it looks nice. From my family to yours, enjoy it.